Welcome back, everybody. It's you Rehab, and I am going to show you how to connect FLEXTEND AC-KIT to the FLEXTEND glove. There are rings on each side of the FLEXTEND, and there is a ring on each palm side of the FLEXTEND. And so what you want to do is you can start out easily by using the lighter resistance cord, fold it in half, attach it to the sides, each side of the wrist glove, of the wrist, and then attach it to the door jamb strap. And this allows you to bilaterally do biceps, triceps, shoulder, all that kind of stuff without having to worry about changing anything. It gives you free flow motion through, because these straps are on the side, there's nothing in front of you or behind you to restrict you. Now, when you want to increase the resistance, say if I'm going to do tricep press downs, and it's for my left hand, I would take the secondary strap ring set, double it over, just like I did this original smaller set, attach it to the back of the palm, hook it in the door jamb, put the glove on, and now that the tension is created up in the door jamb, I'm just going to point down like this. I can now do, I don't know if you can see this, I can now do tricep press downs because I got tension on each side of the wrist and on the back of the wrist. Now for the right hand, you would just switch it from this side to this side. You can leave the door jamb strap in place, put on the FLEXTEND on your right hand, and then perform tricep extensions, press downs on that side. So it's really simple. Once you get the hang of it, I guess it's simple to me because I've used it for so many years. But anyway, so you just follow this video, hook it up, and there's even a 6-foot cord which you can double up as well. Sometimes what I do is actually use the shorter ones, like the 4-foot, singly, okay, in length, and then the 6-foot in length singly. And so part way through my motion, I'm using just a single band. And then when I get the rest of the way through my motion, it picks up the second band. So I'm using the first band, picks up the second band, therefore increasing the tension on just that portion of the exercise, the ending of the exercise. So there's all kinds of things that you can do with this to make it work for you. But biceps, triceps, what I'm going to do is show videos of every single exercise that FLEXTEND AC performs. And, if you got any questions, feel free to post them on YouTube. Thanks a lot, and you have a great day.